Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Wix website to Mailchimp, step by step. If you've ever wondered how to automatically sync your contacts and make your email marketing a whole lot easier, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Wix site talking seamlessly with Mailchimp, ready to boost your newsletters and campaigns. All right, let's get started without wasting any time. The first thing you want to do is head on over to Mailchimp. So, open up your browser, log into your Mailchimp account, and make sure you're on the main dashboard. It might be tempting to go straight to Wix first, but starting from Mailchimp will make things much smoother. The reason we do this is simply because Mailchimp offers the integration controls you'll need to make the connection. Once you're in Mailchimp, look out for the Integrations option. Usually you'll find this in the main menu on the left side. It might say Integrations or sometimes Connected Apps, depending on updates. Click that and let it load for a moment. The Integrations section is essentially the place where Mailchimp lets you connect with other platforms and services, so this is where the magic happens. Now, inside Integrations, there's usually a search bar or a list of featured apps. Type Wix into the search bar. If you don't see it right away, double-check your spelling or just scroll through. Sometimes it's grouped with popular website builders. Mailchimp will then show you the Wix integration option. You want to click or tap on that to proceed. Next up, you'll see a button or a link that says Connect. Go ahead and hit Connect. This is the moment where you're about to bridge your Mailchimp account and your Wix site. Sometimes, after clicking, Mailchimp may ask for some permissions. You might need to log in with your Wix credentials if you aren't already signed in. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. The system is just making sure everything is secure. After connecting, you'll be given the option to continue. Click Continue, and don't worry if things look a bit technical here. Mailchimp and Wix are doing the talking behind the scenes. What you'll want to pay attention to now is selecting the correct site. If you have more than one Wix website under your account, Mailchimp will show you a list. Pause here for a moment and double-check that you're picking the site you want to link. It's a bit like making sure you're connecting the right phone to your Bluetooth speaker. Select your desired site from the list. This makes sure emails and subscribers coming through your Wix site wind up exactly where you want them in Mailchimp. Don't be surprised if you see extra options, like which contact forms, landing pages, or specific details you want synced. Pick what's most relevant for you. For example, if you've built a newsletter sign-up page on Wix, choose that one. Once you've made your site selection, Mailchimp and Wix will finalize the connection. You might see a little confirmation message, and that's how you'll know it worked. From here, any new contacts collected on your Wix site will be automatically imported into your Mailchimp lists, ready for your next email blast. Super handy, right? This integration helps you save a ton of manual work and keeps your marketing up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Wix website to your Mailchimp account. If you got stuck somewhere or you're seeing a different screen, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help out. If this guide made your life a bit easier, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.